Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Rig Tech. In this episode, I am going to discuss about 278 IF connection. As usual, there is no need to stress release features, SRG and bore back. In box side, bore back, inside is SRG. There is an SRG, we can go through that SRG dia. As usual, box side you can check with the use of a single roller. Counterport dia of 278 IF is 3.5 inch. Counterport dia of 278 IF is 3.5 inch. That is a simple way to identify the connection with the help of counterport dia. You need only one roller. Just put the counterbore area and allow the maximum width. You can see in the monitor how to take counterbore dia. Pin side you can identify with the help of standard dia, taper dia and SRG dia. The taper dia is we said in previous episodes. The tolerance of taper and counterbore is 1/60. So you just minus from the counterbore. Counterbore is 3.5 minus 1/16. This will become 3/7/16. That is the taper dia of connection. In any connection you can get in the taper dia, counterport dia minus 1/16. Pin side we can identify the connection with the help of SRG dia, taper dia and standard dia. Standard dia is also known as pin base neck. We discussed earlier. So it's a simple thing. Taper dia you know how to find out. Pin cylinder dia of 278 IF is 3932. SRG dia. Actually this small connection don't need SRG features. Means stress relief features, bore back and SRG, but sometimes it will get with the SRG. If there is an SRG you can go through with the SRG dia. SRG dia is 22932. IF counterport dia 3.5 inch. Pin SRG is 22932 and the pin base or pin cylinder or Standard dia is 3932. Thank you for watching RigTech. See you in next episode with another API connection.